Hello everyone and welcome to Fix and Action YouTube channel. So in this video we will be factory resetting or software resetting T-Mobile Revvl 4 Plus device. You can do hard reset or soft reset. Just follow along with me. So let's start from a soft reset. So all you have to swipe from top to bottom, swipe again, and you see here this gear icon. Tap on that, it will take you to settings, or you can just come here and on the first screen you should see a settings icon. You tap on this one, or if you don't see a setting icon here, so swipe up and here you can find a setting icon. For example, here we got it. Tap on this. So once you are in this settings menu, swipe up and you should see here system. Tap on this one and then you will see advanced. Tap on this and then you should see reset options. Tap on this. So you got three options here. If you have trouble or if your phone is acting a little weird, any app, or if there is any issue with the apps, so you can reset the apps. Just tap on this and reset apps. Then we have here reset Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth. If you have a network issue or Wi-Fi or cellular issue or Bluetooth issue or problem, so you can troubleshoot here and you can just reset that. If you reset this Wi-Fi, cellular or Bluetooth, so you will lose your Wi-Fi if you are currently connected to any Wi-Fi here. So you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi network, or if you have a Bluetooth device, earphones, headphones, if it's Bluetooth and connected, or any other device through Bluetooth, so those you will have to reconnect it again by going to Bluetooth. Like for example, swipe up, settings, and connected device, pair a new device. So then you have to repair and reconnect those devices again. So let's get started. And the third one, let's go to settings, swipe up, system, advanced, reset, and you see the last one. Just make sure if you have anything important, just copy that, in a secure place, like in a USB drive. If you have a type C USB drive, you can plug it here, or you can connect it through computer and copy your data, or you can transfer it through email or Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, any other app. Just make sure copy your data. If nothing is important in it, all you have to press erase all, and make sure you know the Google account to your device. If you reset it and you don't remove your Google account in advance, or if you don't remember the password, then you will be stuck in a FRP lock. And for that I have another video. If you are stuck in case, you can watch my other video on T-Mobile Revvl 4 Plus device, and then you press erase all data and put your password, for example, and it's gonna erase all your data. Erase all data. Alright, so that was a soft reset. As you have seen, tap here and erase all data, and it's gonna delete all your data, all those things. So to do hard reset, press and hold this power button and power off. So once your phone is completely off, the phone will vibrate before it completely turns off. So when it's turned off, press and hold volume up, as you can see here, and press this power button and release the power button as soon you see this T-Mobile logo or the device name Revvl 4 Plus. So as soon you see that screen, but keep holding this volume up button, so you will be in this screen. After that, release volume up, and you see here the first option is reboot system. Now the second option is wipe data, factory reset, then wipe cache, partition, and power off. So let's wipe data, factory reset. Tap on that, and you can use this volume up and down buttons to move up and down to do selection. So select this factory data reset. Make sure you know your Google account, or if you have removed your Google account in advance, more good. if you forgot the Google account in case and you did factory resetted your phone, then you can watch my another video in my videos, and that's gonna help you to get back to your device. Make sure you copy your data before you do that. So now press on power, this power button, so it will do selection and it will completely reset your phone. As you can see here, wiping data, formatting data, so it formatted everything. So now your phone is like a fresh new phone. So thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.